Mathematical induction, sixth question. Using mathematical induction, the numbers an's are defined by a naught is 1, an plus 1 is 3n square plus n plus an, n is greater than or equal to 0, then an is. Here a naught is 1, here it is given a naught is 1 and an plus 1 is defined by 3n square plus n plus an. Here n must be greater than or equal to 0. So then what is an from the given options? So in the place of n, substitute n equal to 0. Because here n is greater than or equal to 0. We can start with 0. So put n equal to 0. Then a0 plus 1 is a1. In the place of n, if you take 0, then these two are zeros. Plus it is a0. But a naught is given 1. Okay, next put n equal to 1. Then a2 equal to 3 plus 1 plus a1. a1 is already we have written, which is equal to 1. So 3 plus 1 plus 1 is 5. And put n equal to 2. Then a3 equal to 12 plus 2 plus 5, which is equal to 19. Now check the options. Take first one. Take first option, okay, which is n cube plus n square plus 1. Here if you find a naught, which is equal to 1 always, a1 is 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3, which is also right. But a2 is 2 cube plus 2 square plus 1, so 13. So this is not right because we got a2 equal to 5, but here it is a2 equal to 13. So the first option is wrong. Next go with the second option. Second option is n cube minus n square plus 1. If n equal to 0, then a naught is 1. If n equal to 1, then a1 is 1 minus 1 plus 1, which is also 1. If n equal to 2, then it is 8 minus 4 plus 1 equal to 5. Yes, we got a2 is 5, a1 is 1 and a naught is also 1. So this is the right answer. Second one is right. Seventh question. X power n plus y power n is divisible by x minus y or x plus y. These are the given options. Okay, it is divisible by what? We know that a square minus b square equal to a minus b into a plus b. So from this we can write x power n minus y power n is divisible by x minus y for all n belongs to n, for all n. So x power n minus y power n is divisible by x minus y. Okay, but a square plus b square, we can't write it as a plus b into something. Okay, then a cube plus b cube can be written as a cube plus b cube can be written as a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So these are the factors. So a cube plus b cube is divisible by a plus b. In the same way, if it is odd number, x power n plus y power n is divisible by x plus y only if n is odd. For all not n. So here for n is odd, it is possible for n is odd. So this is another note. Okay, then by using these two, we have x power n plus y power n is divisible by x power n plus y power n is divisible by x plus y only if n is odd. So here x plus y is there in 3 options. Okay, but here odd number, it is not for all n. Okay, not for even numbers. 2m, nothing but even number. 2m minus 1. Okay, even minus 1, nothing but odd number. So this is the right answer. So x power n plus y power n is divisible by x plus y only for n is odd. Next question. For all positive integers k, if the greatest divisor of 25 power k plus 12k minus 1 is d, greatest divisor of this expression is d, then what is 4 root d? Okay, given 25 power k plus 12k minus 1. So this is the given thing. Now put k equal to 1. Then 25 power k, 12 into 1 minus 1. So 25 plus 12 minus 1. 25 plus 11, which is equal to 36. So here this is the divisor of 36 is the divisor of 25 power k plus 12k minus 1. Okay, but here this divisor is d. It is given which is equal to d. So d equal to 36. So need to find 4 root d. Therefore 4 root d equal to 4 root 36. So root 36 is 6. So 24 is the answer. The next question, the remainder of n power 4 minus 2n cube minus n square plus 2n minus 26 when divided by 24 is. So in this remainder sums, we have a simple way to get the answer. That is, again put n equal to 1. Then 1 power 4 minus 2 into 1 cube minus 1 square plus 2 into 1 minus 26. So 1 minus 2 minus 1 plus, minus 26. So which is equal to minus 26. So if you get a negative answer, negative value, we have to add each time 24. Okay, 24. Add 24 to this. If you get a negative number, so it is negative, so add 24. You will get minus 2. Again we got a negative answer, which is also negative again. Again add 24. Then 22 we got, it is positive, and this will be the remainder. 22 is the remainder. Next one, the remainder of 6 power n minus 5n for n equal to 1, 2, 3, so on when divided by 25. So here the remainder question again, divided by 25. Okay, take the given function, put n equal to 1. Then this will be 6 minus 5, we got a positive value. So if you get the positive value, that will be the remainder. So 1 is the remainder for this question. Thank you.